What's up, my fellow traders? I hope you all had a nice weekend. So, let's start our analysis with natural gas, gold, and crude oil. Just want to give you an update about the strategy which I will be uploading really soon. Now, I have recorded this strategy and now it will be coming to your way really soon. I have all my rules set, everything is set. I just need to add few bits on it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Trust me, guys, you do not want to miss this strategy. So stay updated, hit a subscribe button if you're new, and like button for me as well. So let's start our analysis with natural gas. So what do we have right here? So let me show you what I've said in my previous video. So we have 1, 2, 3 move already, market broken above the previous high, and now this price action can use this high as a support and we'll look for a bullish entry once we have a good reason to enter here, and we will take long until we are in the zone. Okay, awesome. So what do we have? Yes, as expected, market did use this level, this gray zone, as a support and did give us a nice push up, which is enough to hit our 1 ATR target. Why ATR is really important to take your stops and target? Because ATR keeps you with the volatility of the market as it calculates the last 14 candles and then it gives a number which is right here in the corner, because sometime you might have placed a position like this and you see the ATR is coming up as 25 and you place the position as 14. So there is more than likely chances that your stop loss is going to hit, because the volatility is telling us 23 pips here and you are placing your stop loss at 17 pips, which is more than likely that your stop loss is going to hit. That is why I check ATR. So according to that, with the ATR, the target has been hit. But now what to expect next from natural gas? As you can see, natural gas is at a very critical position at this point and now it's respecting this minor level of resistance. As you can see, market pushed up, came back down, and we had this nice hammer candle. So normally I would wait for a market to break and close below 50 EMA to take short entries. As you can see on a daily time frame, right here we do have a big engulfing candle and we do have a head and shoulder pattern, and we also see the indecision between the buyers and the seller. As you can see, we have a hammer candle, then we had an inverted hammer candle. So buyers take over, then sellers came back. So now on a daily time frame, I want to see this current candle to close below here to give us a complete hammer candle, so that we have a complete sell signal, or we I want to see an engulfing candle here. If we have that engulfing candle on the daily time frame, then we can expect a big fall here on natural gas. So that is something I will look for long term, but on a 4 hour time frame, I need to grab some pips right here. If you see now, if we have a break and close of this green candle right above this gray zone, which is 8.043. So once we have a break and close of this zone, then as always, I will check with my Fibonacci and we will look for a retracement to take our long trades from. So right now, I will not enter. I will wait for market to break above here or break below 50 EMA to take long and short entry. We are now in between the zones. We already had some pips here in our pocket, so we don't have to be greedy now. We'll just wait for the next good condition. Okay, right here on currency.com, market opened up in gap on Oanda. It normally don't show the gaps there. It shows the green or red candle that fills the gap. So right here on Oanda, right on currency.com, as you can see on daily time frame, you have the formation coming up as an head and shoulder that is still valid for me. And we have this engulfing pattern. We have this indecisions between buyers and seller with a hammer and inverted hammer candle. And now on daily time frame, I would like to see a big engulfer or inverted hammer. Once we get that, then I expect a good fall from natural gas. But on 4 hour time frame, we can grab some pips before we get a fall or a rise. But I want to see a good entry condition right here. If we have a break and close above 8.80, 8.180, then let's say market close here, then you can always, if you know how to use my Fibonacci tool, we can use the Fibonacci tool. We can enter on a 50% retracement with a pullback to take off a long trade to 1.618 retracement. So at this point, I will wait for market to break above to take buy or break below 50 EMA to take my selling confirmation. So at this point, we should wait for a good entry reason. There's no point of entering at this point. So let's move on to gold. Okay, what do we have here? an awesome entry condition. Let me show you what I've said in my yesterday's video. So won't be long. Just want to show you how we take entries and how to enter with a good entry condition. We have a very minor level of support here, which is 1786 that goes down to 1783. So I still expect a market to push down, and once we have a hit of 1786, and if we have a bullish reason to enter, then I will take my long trades. Okay, nice one. So what do we have? Like I said in my previous video, this zone is a minor zone which market respected, and as you can see, this zone has been respected once, twice, thrice as a support and many times as a support and resistance. So I was expecting a good bounce with an engulfing pattern. As you can see, we got this engulfing pattern, and now with the ATR of this candle is 12, and right now you can see the target is about to hit on gold. So this is how you take your entries, guys. This is how I teach you guys. I do not just come here to give analysis. I also want you guys to learn and take these entries on your own once you see this type of pattern or condition. So, and I'm here to give you these zones as well every single day. So right now I'm expecting market to hit 20 EMA. Once we have a hit of 20 EMA, then if we have a break and close of 20 EMA, then I expect a further push up with a pullback to 50 EMA. Once we have a hit of 50 EMA, then I will look for a next entry reason. Either we can get a fall from here or we can get a break and close above from here. So right now I will exit once the take profit is hit. If you are still in the trade, if you still want to be in the trade, you can move your stop loss to break even. Once your take profit is hit, move your take profit to 20 EMA. Once your 20 EMA has been hit, you can move your positions accordingly. Then you can move your target to 50 EMA and manage your position like that. So this is how you can manage your position. So gold is now still bullish according to me till 20 EMA. Break above, still bullish till 50 EMA. Right here, something interesting we have on crude oil. So like I said yesterday, crude oil tried to trick us, but we are smarter than crude oil. Let me show you what I've said. As you can see, this zone has acted as 1, 2, 3, 4 times now. Now I will avoid taking a short entry from here. So with experience, I'm telling guys, I can be wrong, but with experience, when I see the price action has fallen from the same zone 2 or 3 times, then there is a chance that market can break above that zone. So now I will not take any short trades. Even if I have an entry condition, I will look for market to break and close above right here. So what did I say? We grabbed some nice pips out of this zone, and now this zone tried to trick us here with a nice engulfing sell entry reason. And like I said, even if I get a sell entry reason, I will not enter, because with experience, I'm telling you guys, once I see two fall from the same zone, I do not enter third time. But this time we entered 3 times. So it was more than likely that market can fall and break and close above this zone, which we had today. And you guys have seen how it was a good predict. So now what is the next target for crude oil? I would take here. So now if you get a pullback, 50% retracement, this is your buffer zone right here, 1.113, that goes down to 112. So this is your zone where you can enter your buying trades. If you want to enter aggressively, you can enter right after the hit of this zone and take your long trades till 116. But if you want to be less aggressive, you can wait for the market to hit 50% retracement and this buffer zone, and wait for the next engulfing pattern to take your long trades to 116. So crude oil is now bullish, and I'm expecting some more push up from crude oil. So that's all for now, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. And if you are getting value out of my analysis, please do not forget to hit a like button for me. Helps me in the YouTube algorithm. So I hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.